Alright, YouTube land, so I'm back again, and so got something that hasn't been on the channel for a while now, but finally going to be getting it back down to the ranch and all our family properties, because we got a lot of work to get done with there. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're going to see if we can get it running and driving and move down to my sister's place so we can get some trees done down there. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. 66 Ford F500 and Mama Brimstone, she's back again. So yeah, gonna be my tripod again. We're gonna see about there we go. We're gonna see about getting the old gal running again. Well, actually, well, okay, so it is running because it's been at a really good friend of mine's. If you're in the McCloud area and you need a good mechanic, call around for Joe Rusting. But yeah, so he's been working on her for a while. We've had some carburetor issues, stuff like that. You know, he's used her around the place from time to time. But yeah, so we're going to get her fired up. So I'm going to hand off the phone. Let's see what's happening here. So get you into a little pedal here.
Oh, maybe you have to jump it after all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's put the jumpers on.
Alright, so, alright, get you real quick. So, yeah, we got a jumper. So, alright, stick around for that. Okay, so we're back. We're hooked up again. So, let's get up right in here. And this is actually not a 300 inline 6 like I was thinking. It's actually a industrial 240. Give her a little bit of fuel there. Oh, come on. Well, that's not good. But I'm not going to monkey around with this thing for a while. Okay. Well, let's try this again. Get you in here for some foot pumping. Alright, I'll hand this off to Mama Brimstone to get the engine.
Oh, on the engine?
On the engine, yeah.
Fuel?
tell you what. Oh, this is a little nerve-wracking for me. I gotta say that much at least. But yeah, it's running and driving, but it's not driving very good. And yeah, it's just not fun. It does not like to idle. All right. So when it's going, it's not as bad, but so at the gas station throw some gas in and I wouldn't want to start again. I gotta put a different carburetor on though. You want about one of those Chinese carburetors? Doesn't work that good. So yeah. Tells you when it wants to change gears. I think that's what I'm getting at there. Oh boy. It's definitely running a lot quieter now, but G's or P's. Good thing it's only down a couple miles. Situated, but this is one of Mom's toys. Oh, we did it. We're down here, and yeah, we made it. Okay. We made it. Doesn't like to idle low. That's why I think it's a carburetor issue. But oh. But so yeah. Oh, the hood flew open on me a bit. Good thing that safety latch is there. But yeah, so Mom's truck's back down at my sister's place. So yeah. So it does run and it did drive. It did stop too because it has air brakes on it. Now, it was not happy about the drive. It actually stayed at temperature at 190. I was kind of surprised about that. And as you heard in third gear, that belt gets a little angry,
but not all the time.
But fourth gear, then it like smoothed out. So it's definitely something in the carburetor. So I think we're gonna probably look into maybe another new carburetor on that again. Maybe we'll try a Carter this time. I don't know. I've been looking at a few options for, but yeah, and that choke, it keeps sticking on it, so that's why I wasn't wanting to. Oh, I forgot to record that part. But yeah, we got stuck at the gas station because it wouldn't want to start again. So then we had to. Oh, my blinker is still on. So yeah, it was quite the drive. I will definitely say that it was quite the drive. So the air brake is on. It is in gear. So yeah, all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip, because that was something. Oh, there's food back there. Oh, that's a plus. Alright. So, alright. So now that Mama's got her truck back, we can start trying to figure out what she wants to do with that. She can put it back to work herself because she's been chomping at the bit and bugging me. And bugging me.
I have. Yes.
And bugging me to get it back. So yeah, she's got her truck back, so hopefully she'll be happy. And yeah, we'll just, you know, figure out what to do next. So yeah, we'll see you guys. So now that I'm back home and sitting here, thank you, Belle, appreciate that. You know, trying to relax a little bit, working on some more videos and stuff like that, editing, because we all know how good at editing I am. But yeah, so what did you guys think of the bucket truck? Do you want to see more on that one? And because it's going to be going over to Mama Brimstone, she's the one that's going to be working it. But if you want to see some more video on it though, just let me know. You know, maybe we can get some of it working and all that good stuff. You know, maybe a few cold starts, we'll see. You know, it's all depends on what you guys want, because it's going to be down at the ranch, but it's going to be getting used around here a little bit to help, not here, but I mean over at my sister's here. And then it's going to go to her place. It's going to get used over there at the ranch. So, yeah, anyway, what did you guys think of that? You know, I know that was kind of a little bit more chaotic than usual, I guess you could say. And a little bit on the loud side, more than usual, but yeah, you know, if you guys enjoyed that, let me know, you know, because I'd like to play with it more, but, you know, it's it also depends on what all we're going to be doing with it. So, yeah, anyway, so I hope you guys liked that, and we will catch you on the next video. Remember, if you enjoy it, like, subscribe, you know, comment too, you know, share a story or whatever. I like talking to y'all, you know, I don't get that much, but yeah, so anyway, we'll see you guys later.